Financial literacy is about taking your monetary decisions while ensuring that you have enough when the times get tough financially. I believe it does not matter how much you make, but what makes the difference is what you do with it by saving and investing. Hi, my name is Sunny, and a quick like share alongside smashing that like button will be highly appreciated. Do not spend more than two-thirds of what you earn while saving the remaining one-third, as it gives you flexibility and a sense of security. When the cost of living goes through the roof or you lose your job, having something to fall back on is a blessing. If you want to switch jobs, it might buy you time and you don't need to scramble for money. Keeping an eye on what you consume and where you spend your money is a good habit. Having awareness of your wants and needs is not a bad habit, especially in today's unpredictable and expensive times. Doubling your money is a powerful concept not taught in our school system. You will double your money in 12 years if rate of return is 6% per year, so you must start now. If you earn $3,000 and you save 15% of it, which is $450. Now, when you invest this in a low cost index fund that gives you 6% per year, and you will double your money in 12 years. With this habit of saving and investing, you will be surprised by the compounding effect over a long period of time. Whenever you get a raise or money from somewhere else, investing like this could do wonders when money is left to compound. Strikingly, 95% of college graduates are unfamiliar with the concepts of financial literacy or education because these are not taught in our school system. The six essential words to remember are income, expense, asset, liability, and the last two most important are cash flow. Income is the money you earn from your job. Expenses are what you spend. Assets are your assets, and liabilities are what you owe. Now, mastering cash flow is the cornerstone of your financial success. Comprehending and grasping these terms will empower you financially while enabling you to control your finances and secure your future. If you're bad with money, it means you may be careless or unaware. In such a case, budgeting wisely could help you change your finances. Use budgeting tools to determine how much you make and where you spend your hard earned money. Just in a snapshot that tells you whether you live beyond your means, rely on credit cards, or saving for your future. Being proactive and tracking your expenses while avoiding some of your wants now could lay the foundation for your better financial future. Keep in mind that budgeting is just a tool and it alone cannot do wonders. Instead, use it to develop good financial habits. You must say no to laziness and yes to diligence in life, and personal finance is no exception. The habit of working hard and not just lying on sheer luck could take you places, while laziness could be a recipe for poverty and destruction. But that does not mean that everyone who is poor is lazy. A hunger to learn and succeed is the key to success, and financial literacy is no exception. Even if you are slow to pick certain things in life, perseverance and hard work in the long term can make you achieve your goals. If you are broke, my challenge is not to entertain yourself, instead, educate yourself. The reason you are struggling financially might be because there are some facts about finance that you don't know. Increasing your awareness about finances while developing key skills is advisable. Financial literacy does not mean that learning about financial tools alone. Instead, it means developing a mindset. Investing in yourself allows you to develop awareness about financial matters, which is crucial for your financial life, and it opens your mindset to new ideas you never knew existed. Therefore, investing in yourself gives you the most return on money and time spent. Have a balanced approach to your finances by limiting your spending to not more than two-thirds of what you earn. In today's financially challenging times, setbacks like losing your job or any other emergency expense could prove economically costly. Therefore, having a financial cushion is nothing short of a lifeline. Being aware of where the money goes and from where the money is coming in is a good habit to develop. Awareness about wants, needs, and what needs to be put on the back burner is necessary in today's unpredictable and very expensive times. Therefore, invest in yourself as it will have a compounding effect not only on you but rest of your financial life. Hope you get my point. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation and don't forget to do your own due diligence. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.